Artificial intelligence, AI, is one of the fastest developing areas of modern technology. It involves the creation of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as speech recognition, decision-making, and problem-solving. AI systems are trained using massive amounts of data and algorithms to simulate human thought processes and can continually learn and improve over time. The ultimate goal of AI is to create machines that can perform tasks with a high degree of autonomy and intelligence and interact with humans in natural and intuitive ways. The history of artificial intelligence dates back to the 1950s, when computer scientist John McCarthy first used the term to describe the creation of machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. Over the years, AI has gone through various stages of development, from the early days of rule-based systems to more recent developments in machine learning and deep learning. Today, AI is used in a wide variety of applications, from healthcare and transportation to finance and retail. One of the most recent developments in artificial intelligence has been the development of deep learning, a form of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks to simulate the structure and function of the human brain. Deep learning has revolutionized the field of artificial intelligence by allowing machines to learn from vast amounts of data and continually improve their performance over time. This has led to the development of advanced AI systems that can perform tasks such as speech recognition, image classification, and language translation with a high degree of accuracy. Another important aspect of artificial intelligence is the development of natural language processing, NLP, which involves building systems that can understand and respond to human language. NLP has been applied to a wide variety of applications, from customer service chatbots to virtual personal assistants, greatly improving the way humans interact with machines. The use of artificial intelligence is growing rapidly in many industries and is poised to have a major impact on the global economy in the coming years. In healthcare, for example, artificial intelligence is used to analyze medical images and diagnose diseases, as well as to develop personalized treatment plans for patients. In finance, AI is used to analyze market data and make investment decisions, and in retail, AI is used to recommend products and personalize the shopping experience for customers. Despite the many potential benefits of AI, there are also a number of important ethical and societal considerations to consider. For example, there is growing concern about the potential for AI systems to perpetuate existing biases and discrimination, and there is also a concern about potential job loss as more tasks are automated. To address these concerns, it is important to ensure that AI systems are developed ethically and responsibly and are subject to appropriate regulation and oversight. This requires close collaboration between AI researchers, policymakers, and stakeholders from a wide variety of industries and sectors. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is a rapidly advancing field that has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. It offers many exciting opportunities for innovation and growth, but it also raises important ethical and societal questions that need to be addressed. As we move forward, it is critical that we work together to ensure that AI is developed and used in ways that benefit society as a whole.